Are you preparing for the UGC NET JRF Exam 2023 and need guidance? Well, you're in the right place. Firstly, it's crucial to understand the structure of the UGC NET JRF exam. This exam consists of two papers. Paper 1 tests your teaching and research aptitude, while Paper 2 is subject-specific. Once you've understood the structure of the exam, the next step is to prepare a study schedule. Allocate specific time slots to each subject and adhere to it strictly. Remember, consistency is key to mastering this exam. Knowing your strengths and weaknesses plays a significant role in your success. Concentrate on your strong areas and spend extra time improving your weak subjects. This strategy will help you maximize your score. Utilize study materials wisely. Gyan provides comprehensive study materials, including books, online lectures, and practice papers, specifically designed to help you excel in the UGC NET JRF exam. Solving previous year's question papers will give you a clear idea about the exam pattern and the type of questions asked. It will also help you manage your time effectively during the actual exam. Regularly taking mock tests will not only help you assess your preparation level but also boost your confidence and improve your speed and accuracy. Focus on important topics. Prioritize the topics that have more weightage in the exam. Gyan provides a detailed analysis of previous year's trends to help you identify these topics. Staying updated with current affairs is crucial. It's important to have knowledge of the latest developments in your subject area. Make it a habit to read newspapers, watch news channels, and follow relevant websites to stay updated. Lastly, don't forget to revise. In the last few weeks before the exam, revise all the topics thoroughly. Identify your weak areas and work on them to ensure nothing is left unprepared. So there you have it, a guide to cracking the UGC NET JRF Exam 2023. With the guidance of Gyan and your dedicated preparation, success is within your grasp. Remember, the key to success lies in your own effort and perseverance.